compact flagship phone in 2025 with a massive 7,000 mAh battery? This is the Xiaomi 17, and it's here to challenge the compact crown. Forget tiny batteries and compromised specs. Xiaomi is calling this their most powerful standard flagship. I've been using it for the past few days, and let me tell you, it's a beast in a small package. Today, we're covering its Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance, the 7,000 mAh battery life, the new Leica cameras, and whether it can finally unseat the competition. Let's dive in. First up, the design. This is what you notice immediately. At just 6.3 inches, the Xiaomi 17 is genuinely compact. The bezels are incredibly thin, only 1.18 millimeters, making the screen feel expansive despite the phone's size. The build quality is pure flagship. Dragon crystal glass on the front and a lovely frosted glass back. The in-hand feel is premium, almost iPhone-like, but with a slight curve that makes it much more comfortable to hold. Plus, we finally have an IP68 rating. The camera module is a distinct change, a more integrated look on the base model, which I actually prefer over the Pro's dynamic rear display gimmick. Under the hood is the main event, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This is a powerhouse chip built on the 3nm process. In benchmarks, it absolutely destroys its predecessor. I've thrown the most demanding games at it, and the performance is flawless, smooth frame rates, and excellent thermal management. That power is paired with a stunning display. It's a 6.3-inch, 1.5K OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, but the real star is the brightness. We're talking up to a blinding 3500 nits peak brightness. Indoors, outdoors, it's one of the best displays on the market, period. Colors are vibrant, and the 2160Hz PWM dimming is great for those sensitive to flickering. Compact phones always compromise on battery. Not the Xiaomi 17. It packs an incredible 7,000 mAh battery. That is huge for this size. In my testing, this phone easily lasted a full heavy day and often stretched into a second day. This is a game changer for the small phone category. And when you do need to charge, the speed is fantastic. You get 100 watts wired fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging. For the cameras, we have a versatile triple 50-megapixel setup tuned by Leica. That's a 50-megapixel main lens, a 50-megapixel 2.6x telephoto with OIS, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. It's a strong hardware package. The main sensor delivers fantastic shots, great detail, excellent dynamic range, and that signature Leica color science, which is vibrant but natural. The 2.6 telephoto is perfect for portraits and provides sharp, optically zoomed images. Even the front-facing 50-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus is a huge upgrade. Video-wise, you get 8K at 30 FPS and rock-solid stabilization. It's an all-around performer, and while the Pro Max might have the absolute best zoom, the standard 17 offers a flagship-level camera experience that doesn't disappoint. So what's the final verdict on the Xiaomi 17? It redefines the compact flagship. You're getting a stunning small form factor phone with a top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip and a battery that puts much larger phones to shame. Who is this for? If you want cutting-edge performance, fantastic cameras, and all-day plus battery life without carrying a giant slab of glass in your pocket, this is it. It's the closest Android has come to truly challenging the iPhone's compact supremacy. What do you think of the Xiaomi 17? Is its size and battery life enough to sway you from the bigger flagships? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my full long-term review coming soon. See you next time.